And welcome you to my channel. The core essence of me doing this video is just to help you ensure that your TapSwap is actually connected to your Solana wallet, which is the Phantom wallet. So let's head on to Phantom wallet just to check whether TapSwap is actually connected to it. So where are your Phantom wallet? So here we go. We are in. So when you're in, what you need to do is you click in the top left corner on that settings icon, and then you swipe up so you get to where it reads connected apps, and boom, you see there's nothing here, though initially we had actually connected TapSwap to this one, so meaning that it's not connected, and if they're dropping anything you don't receive it. So what we need to do is we head back to TapSwap, then you click tasks, and when you get here you need to now click connect Solana wallet, though there's a tick there indicating that that has been done already, but it hasn't, so you have to click there and then you click open. I'm slowing down so that you're able to follow through. Open slowly. Okay, so they're saying change, but that side it isn't reflecting. So what you need to do is you click the three dots in the top right, then you click copy link. Okay, after copying the link, you can now head back to Phantom wallet. Let's go back. What do you do here? What you do is you click in the bottom right corner, and then you tap in the top section there where they search, and then you paste the wallet address and then you search. Okay, so now it's saying select wallet. Then you click more options and then you click Phantom and then click connect, and boom, it's connected, right? Let's head back now. Let's head back to Phantom wallet. We can now click in the on the settings icon there, and then we swipe up and then we check connected apps, and boom, TapSwap is now reflecting there. So friends, that's how we do. Go ahead and make sure that you connect your Phantom wallet to TapSwap.